sure I'm in my seat good. What up, y'all? It's your boy and we back with another video. As you can tell, today's video is a little different. I'm back with Jay and Axon, and Jay switched out his Talaria for a Grom. Now this is the closest I've ever been to Grom. This thing looks nice and it sounds good. He said it's already cammed up. Don't know what type of cams in it. I don't know if enough about these, and I don't know if, I think he said he doesn't know what cams in it. It's already got a nice exhaust. This thing looks good. Probably not going to do too far of a trip, but I'm ready to see this thing roll. Have you ever sped off on this thing at all?
Bro, I can push 80 on here.
Damn.
Yeah.
Speaking of 80, man, if y'all didn't see the last video, I slapped a bigger sprocket on. Holy shit, the performance looks crazy. So the original one I had on was a 38 tooth. Now it's funny, this sprocket originally came with this hub, but I was thinking, I don't know, the torque is gonna be good because it's electric, but I want more speed. But turns out the way these motors work, I guess it was kind of limiting it. It wasn't allowing the motor to spin up fast enough. So putting the bigger sprocket on makes it quicker and faster.
Yeah, I lost it. Yeah.
And it's kind of hilarious. You said that could do 80. I just did 80 on this. It scared the shit out of me, but it was fun as hell at the same time. Yes, sir. You about to hear some gas engine. Yo, that thing sounds good. It look good too. We got the third person camera back. We back on this piece. Yeah, you about to be speedy with that joint. You about to be speeding off. Only slight problem with that is the Talaria back there. It's not that fast. I wonder if I can keep up with him in gear 2. Look at that thing. Yeah, that thing is loud. Woo-wee. Speaking of motorcycles, damn, I can barely hear myself. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I can't get over that thing. As y'all noticed, though, we messing around with the third person camera again. I thought it looked nice last time. I really do want to get a better camera. Get some more money in my hands. I got to get that 360 camera. You see, you got to get used to it. Yo, look at that little thing go. That little thing moving. Yeah, that thing look nice as hell. That's the one thing about gas, besides the fact that the electric stuff was just, you know, maintenance free. I mean, the first time I got one, I kind of had a job, and me and my brother, we were living together for a short moment, so I just didn't have the money to maintain a vehicle. That's the one thing about gas, is having to learn how to shift. That's something I do not know how to do. That little thing sounds good. It sounds so good though. It reminds me when I was trying to go gas with this bike. It's loud as hell. Yes, sir. So nice out here. Look at the clouds. It looks great. Whoa, that torque. We're in gear 3 right now. I gotta take a look at that thing. Let's take a look at it. That looks great. So clean. It's funny because waiting to see it, I kind of wasn't too sure what to expect of it. Like, if it would be a little bigger than that, a little smaller. Actually, the exact size you would expect, or at least that I expected. Sometimes when you see shit, it's a little smaller, sometimes a little bigger. But speaking about this camera again, I gotta give me a 360 camera. 360 camera will get some beautiful ass angles, and I really like how this GoPro looks. But to have some a little wider where you can see just a little more, it'd be lovely. Oh shit! I forgot I got a little bit of a clearance issue there. Yeah, that's something I still need to work on with this bike. Sheesh. Sheesh. It's nice as hell too. I just got smacked in the face by, I think, a moth or a butterfly. I'm thinking a moth because it was pretty big. Yo, that thing sounds fucking nice. It sounds so good.
First gear is hella slow though.
Yeah.
First gear, you can't push like past like 20 on first gear. That's why I go hella slow. It sounds hella loud. Things sound great. What just happened there? Had a little wobble. Is he trying to get you to wheelie? I mean, we always do. Everybody can do wheelies. Hey, I think it's right here. I'm not good at it.
I think you said he knows how to wheelie, but he's not good at it. Alright, is this the turn? Is that the opening? Yep, see, it's small. It looks like the inches to a sidewalk. Okay, so before we get back on the road, I do want to ask a couple of questions. You have any plans for this joint? Like, you want to slap some wheels on it? Try to do some more engine upgrades? Give it like a stance?
Upgrades, you know, obviously air intake, you feel me?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Air intake, I don't know where it's at, but these are easy to work on. Air intake, maybe like performance spark plug, you know?
Yeah. Say it looks good. Oh, that would look nice.
You know what I'm saying? Not really much. Turn signal kit, look, you can slap turn signals in right here.
Yeah.
And then you just hook it up. So it already has a switch, but I guess only the right one works. It doesn't even.
I'll say yeah, because I see those joints. They don't flash at all.
I swear the bike didn't come like that. That's pretty much it, bro. Not really much I have in mind, really.
How does it feel to ride with the engine? Does it feel better to have the sound?
No, it's a little, feels different because it's shaky as fuck, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Rumble, but I'm still getting used to it, bro. You can hear that my shits aren't that clean, but
yeah.
I still got it.
Yeah, this joint is nice as fuck. My brother's getting, I would take this off, but I'm recording.
Someone can see it right here. Yeah, it has foot pegs and everything right here, look.
My brother's planning on getting him a Suron soon. Can't wait for that, man. Yeah, I legit can't get over the way that thing sounds. Trust me, I ain't go electric because I hate engines. The only engines that I hate are 2-strokes. They're just loud and high pitched. It's like a baby crying. But the 4-stroke, or the big burly fucking bobber engines, oh man, I love the way they sound. When you talk about vehicles like that big old black pickup truck, diesels, man, diesels are my favorite engines. So I don't hate engines. It's just with these, plug and play. It's different. It's quiet. It's snappy. Especially now that I got this bigger gear on here. But once again, it's different. You don't see this every day, especially with a bobber like this. I know some people hate it, but you know, some people just like to over exaggerate. You know, it's not that serious. You don't like electric, but you don't have to get it. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, I want to ask to race, but he is still learning the shift, so it would be probably unfair right now. Torque, man, from this thing is crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. There he is. I like where he at. I thought he got left behind. See, imagine I had a 360 camera right now, sitting up nice and high. Y'all could probably properly be able to see everybody. That thing. Oh man, now my bike is rumbling to death again.
Oh, it's so bouncy. This shit bouncing like crazy. I feel like I'm gonna fly off this motherfucker. I do wonder sometimes does it have to do with the road, but it's all confusing. I don't know why it's happening. Something seems to be fucked up. Oh shit, I forgot this takes you down here. These are one of the trails I used to go down. Oh man. It's an angle I need to be in. That thing is nice. Yeah man, I want to see what he gonna do with that joint. Cause you can make that thing, it looks good, but you can make it look even better. Even better. It's been a while, but I used to look at mainly the GY6, the Honda Ruckus GY6. Is that another trail? What the hell? The trail down there. Mainly the GY6 Honda Ruckus. I used to look at a few of those, a lot of Honda Ruckus joints. It was once again when I was trying to go gas with this, and I was trying to see how much power could that 212 Predator 212 get me. Yeah, I think my front wheel might be unbalanced. Damn. I really want to speed off, but he's so slow. I don't want to leave him behind.
Now that I have this and you got that.
Yeah. So I can't wait until you get him a joint so he can keep up with us. Let me take these damn goggles off. Oh shit. It's a sheriff. Hey, he looking at him. He looking at the sheriff. Woo-wee! So quick. See, it weirdly feels like my tire's starting to smooth out. So I wonder if my shit will like. Oh my god. I wonder if my shit rumbles worse depending on the road. I mean, I guess it would make sense, but it consistently rumbles harder. So, yeah, I don't know, man. It's all confusing. Yo, I think I can feel the pressure coming out the exhaust. I just got hit twice with like 2 strong puffs of air. Hey, what do you think? To this stop sign, to the next stop sign, let's do a race. Fuck it, let's go for it. If I rumble too hard, then I'm gonna just let off and say fuck it. What speed you wanna go to? All right. Holy shit! Yo, I think the torque is just a little much. Oh my fucking God.
Way too fast.
This shit is scary.
Like your takeoff is I don't know if I've ever beat that.
That shit is honestly scary as fuck. Okay, not gonna lie. Huh? That was only 72.
What?
It still had more.
Bro, your takeoff speed is
I can't hear you. Oh, okay.
Want me to hook it off?
Yeah. Since you got the speed. Oh shit. Bad start. Trying to tuck in. Make sure I'm in my seat good.
Some niggas about to give that top speed, nigga. W cameraman. Watch this. Watch this.
Oh my fucking God.
Can't beat, homemade shit, bro.
Oh my god, that is that is insane. Holy shit! I think it's just unfair. It's just fucking ridiculous. Oh, you want to do a U-turn for the Grom? Yeah. Hey, try to pull off. I'm gonna see if I can catch up to you. Now. Oh, buddy, that's why you slow down. What the fuck? I'm about to kill me. Yeah. I'll say, how fast did I go? I forgot. I don't have my speed app, so I
Keep it, Mike. The camera on, y'all.
Let that thing go though. No matter what, that thing is beautiful. I'm falling in love with that thing. It's not even mine. It just looks so good. We got some bikers behind us. Why does this always happen when my GoPro's about to die? They trying to ride with us? What's going on? Hey, it's some nice little bikes. Oh shit. Hey, we're going up here. I think I see that guy a lot on the mini bike. Alright y'all, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. The GoPro's getting low. This GoPro has died. Well, it didn't die, we ran out of space. But I hope you enjoyed that. Something a little different. We got a gas bike involved. This Grom's not even mine. I'm in love with it. It looks nice. But if you enjoyed that, make sure to hit like, comment, subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. It has been. Stay tuned for more, and I'm out. Peace.